Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by connecting your phone to the car, plug the USB or complete wireless pairing. Once connected, open Android Auto and accept location, microphone, and notification permissions so navigation works. Next, select Google Maps or your installed Maps app as the default navigation provider. This ensures voice directions route through the car speakers. Finally, tap the Maps icon on the Android Auto home screen to start. Make sure your phone has a stable data connection or downloaded offline areas for the route ahead. With Maps open, type or voice enter your destination. Choose between fastest, shortest, or alternate routes. Select avoidances like tolls or highways if needed. Once a route is selected, inspect route options to toggle ferries, tolls, or unpaved roads. This refines travel time and stress. Enable lane guidance and junction view to reduce last-second lane changes. Use the steering wheel voice button to update the route or ask for ETA without touching the screen. This keeps you focused and compliant with safe driving rules. When you arrive, tap End Navigation and optionally save your parking spot or recent route for future reference. If Android Auto or Maps freezes, disconnect and reconnect the USB or wireless link, force close the Android Auto app, and restart your phone. Most issues clear this way. For persistent GPS drift, open phone location settings, switch to high accuracy, and recalibrate the compass by moving the phone in a figure eight. If problems continue, check app updates and car head unit firmware. Keeping both current prevents many glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.